RUD, R-U-D, Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly. Elon Musk often uses the acronym in his tweets about his SpaceX venture and the rocket launches. He's not the one that has coined the phrase. However, he certainly made it popular, and myself, that's how I first came across the term back in 2015 when I saw one of his tweets. My first reaction was rather negative. I thought this is a massive understatement. It's basically a peer spin. But then I started to pay more attention to the way Musk was using RUD, and I changed my mind. It's not a peer spin. It's a brilliant culture-driving move by Elon Musk. Think about it. Elon Musk is a serial and disruptive entrepreneur. So he knows that failure goes hand in hand with innovation. So he expects rapid and scheduled disassembly events. Even better, when one run occurs, he gets excited. Why? Because of the learning opportunities it generates. In his mind, a RUD is one step closer to Mars. This was in full display a few months ago when they did the Starship flight test SN8, serial number 8. You've probably seen the footage. The flight went very well, but at the end there was a fiery explosion right on the landing pad. On Twitter, Elon Musk explained what happened and said that he was very happy because they got all the data they needed from the crash. And he gave huge kudos to the SpaceX team. So when the CEO reacts that way to a massive crash, that sends a huge signal through the entire organization. It totally kills any fear of trying new things. It fuels innovation, it is inspirational. In other words, it drives a culture of innovation. So it was not surprising that in the few weeks after the crash, if you were visiting SpaceX YouTube channel, pinned at the top was a video about that test. And it was mostly about the RUD, about the explosion, which was amazing. They were basically showcasing the disaster. But at the end of the video, they were concluding with a very positive note about the learnings and about the next steps, the next test. Since then, Elon Musk and his SpaceX team have been moving closer to Mars with more tests, more problems, extracting more learning out of them and driving more innovation. And it looks like the folks at NASA have been impressed. A few days ago, the big announcement was that NASA had selected SpaceX to move the astronauts back and forth between the new station and the moon. In the previous episode of the Nimble Vlog, I talk about the levers for culture change. And I stress the importance first and foremost of the leadership from the top but throughout the organization. And I also talk about how important it is to use symbols, stories and rituals to drive a culture shift. So if you look at it from this perspective, it's not surprising that in the hands of Elon Musk, a RUD, Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly, becomes a powerful culture-driving tool. First, of course, because he is a CEO, so he's a top leader, but also because for them, talking about a RUD has become a ritual. It is highly symbolic. And it tells a story from an engineering standpoint about what happened, what are the learnings that they extracted, and how this is going to fuel further innovation. So, if you're a leader talking about the importance of innovation, there are three questions you need to ponder. First, what is the equivalent of a rapid and scheduled disassembly in your business? Second, when such an event occurs, how comfortable are you really with it? And third, what do you say to you people then? The answers to these three questions will tell you whether you are driving or hindering the innovation culture you are saying that your business needs.